Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox with Alex Trinh, and today we are going to unbox Philips ActionFit RunWild. I got this from Target on clearance for $9.98. If this wasn't on clearance, this would cost me $19.99 from Target. Today we're going to unbox this thing and check these earbuds out. But before we do, let's take a look around the box. So Philips ActionFit RunWild 3-in-1 Sports Earbuds. Here are what the earbuds look like. This comes in blue color. And let's take a look around the sides of the box. We get the Philips branding logo. And I'm going to read these out loud to you. So this has ambient sound, high performance sound, IPX4 water resistance, and durable Kelver cable. So let's take a look on the back side. Philips ActionFit, and this model is the SHQ1400. RunWild 3-in-1 earbuds, choose your style. Allows for ambient sound for safe training for the IPX, also known as IPX4. This earbuds is certified as the IPX4 waterproof. This has a customizable fit. And here's all the legal stuff. And yeah, so with that being said, let's finally unbox this thing. So I have my X-Acto knife ready to go. Cut through this tape. And we're ready to go. So, looking through the box here. So let's take this out, and here it is. So here are your customizable earbuds. Comes in with a Ziploc bag. We'll look at that later. And here are the earbuds itself. Can't wait to try them on and listen to the music in my ears. And yeah, so I'm gonna unwrap this thing. So I've untangled these, and let's check out the earbuds, the customizable earbuds. So opening up the Ziploc bag, and I really like how they give you options such as the bigger earpiece, the smaller earpiece, the earpiece with a loop to hold on to your ear, and a whole earpiece that will stay on you forever. So I'm going to try each of one of them out, and it's going to be a while. So I've already untangled these and plugged it in to find out whether these earbuds are good or not. But I can at least tell you that these earbuds are alright. Don't expect any bass coming out of these earbuds, because it's not going to compete with JBL or Monsters or Beats earbuds. These are low-end earbuds from Philips. At least it comes in 3 different sizes. First, we're going to test out the small size, and I already tried on the small size, and I can tell you that these are having trouble. I mean, this size is only good when you're sitting down, drinking coffee or eating lunch while looking at your phone. And we're going to move on to the second one. The second one with the loop. And this probably has a better chance of sticking in your ear more longer than these ones. So, yeah. So I forgot to mention you that these are pretty easy to take them out and swapping them. And all you need to do is just pull it out. Like, have a grip and pull these out. Here we go, and all you have to do is swap them in with desirable size that you want to have. So putting these on is like putting on a glove on your hand or something like that. So here it is. Gotta have fingernails, which I don't have, so yeah, you're gonna have to use your fingertips for this one. Yeah, so there it is. and on to the next one. Now what you do is find a grip and use your fingertips if you can, if you have any nails. There we go. I take that back. It's not easy putting these on, but it's just gonna take you time and some fingernails. So yeah, there it is. So I already tried this on and tested it, and tested these two, and I can tell you that these will hold on to your ears more longer than this one. I think this one is designed for you sitting at the table or standing still. This is more designed for running, and I've tested this, and these are too big for my ears, and this don't hold on to my ears more than this one. So yeah, so the sound quality isn't that great. Don't expect to have Philips. This is a low-end product for Philips, and don't expect to have a high-end quality like JPL headphones, Monster headphones, or Beats headphones. And yeah, so that is my unboxing and review of these Philips ActionFit Earbuds. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to check out my other content on my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh, and I'll see you on the next video.